Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Dr. Marcella Wilson, and welcome to day 11 of my Shopify AI challenge. So, I'm a computer science professor and an AI expert. I'm always up to AI shenanigans. And if this is your first time with me today, I'm doing a challenge where I can go from setup to first sale in a Shopify store just using AI. So I'm going to set up a Shopify store, create the product, create the product descriptions, all that just using AI. So we're on day 11. So before I get to what I did today on day 11, let's get some housekeeping stuff out of the way. If you want to follow along with me as I go through this challenge, there's a link in the description to a wonderful resource where I detail what I do every day. I have links to all of my previous videos, so just check out the description and you'll see it there. Also, if you want to set up your own Shopify store, there's also a link in the description where you can only pay $1 for your first 3 months of Shopify. Now that's a great bargain because normally it's like, they have different pricing plans, but the lowest one is only $39 a month. So if you want to start, feel it out, using that sale is a good way to do it. All right. That's the housekeeping stuff that I got out the way. Let's get to what I did on day 11. So just as to give a little background or a quick rewind of what I did for the first 10 days, I set up my Shopify store, picked a product that Chatty recommended. Now, I call Chatty ChatGPT because I'm always chatting with her. So I call her Chatty. ChatGPT recommended I create a print-on-demand product with funny sayings on it. So that's what I did. And I'm not going to tell you the group of people that I'm targeting. I'll tell you that in a bit. But as to right now, knowing that I'm targeting a specific group of people with these funny mugs that I am going to be creating using Printify, which is a print-on-demand service. I used AI to create the product descriptions, the funny sayings, everything on the Shopify site. And I pretty much did that in 10 days, which is incredible because the first time I set up a Shopify store about a couple of years ago, it took me 6 months to do the whole thing. But I was also using physical products and stuff like that. Okay, so yesterday I used ChatGPT to create Facebook ad copy. So what I did today on day 11 was I actually published my first ad set of, the Facebook ads. So I don't know if you're familiar with Facebook ads or not, but you can have ads targeting different groups, right? Those are called ad sets. So that's what I did. I set up one ad set. I created 6 ads targeting one group of people. So the thing about Facebook ads is, personally, it takes me a long time to do them because I just want them to be perfect, right? Because I know once you publish them, you really can't go back and change them. So I take a lot of time writing the ad copy. When I'm uploading it into the business manager, I am taking my time. So it was amazing that yesterday I was able to get the ad copy for my ads in like 45 minutes, but that's because I was using ChatGPT. All of the images, all of the copy I was using from ChatGPT. I didn't inject any of myself into that. So today I just basically uploaded the copy and the images into Business Manager, hit publish, And normally it takes about 24 hours for ads to get approved and for them to start running, but they were running in about an hour. So I was like, oh, okay. I was pretty surprised about that. So what do I plan on doing tomorrow? Tomorrow, I plan on creating more ad sets. And that's kind of my process, is that I get one ad set running and then I create more ad sets using the same ads, targeting different interests. So I will do that tomorrow. So I guess the countdown is on, is how fast it will take me to get a sale. I don't know. We'll see. But as for now, we have one ad set up and running, which includes 6 different ads. So here we go. All right. So if you like this video, please like it. Please subscribe to my channel. I talk all things AI and shenanigans. I specifically talk to business owners, and I teach them how they can use AI to simplify their business processes. Like, I know social media is a big issue with business owners, like solopreneurs, right? They're doing everything themselves. You can take that burden off of your chest using AI, right? So that's what I teach. I teach business owners AI and how it allows them to do things smarter, quicker, cheaper, faster than you ever could. All right, you got any questions for me? Leave them in the comment. I'd love to read them. I respond to each one. I'm going to get out of here. And I'm in my closet. I'm going to get out of here and I'll talk to you tomorrow. God bless. Bye-bye.